Connectors. Okay, children, let's learn what connectors are. Connectors are said to be joining words as they join two or more sentences or words. They are also called conjunctions. Example: Smith and Veeru are good friends. This man is poor but honest. The word "and" is used where there is a relation between words or sentences. Example: Raj played well. Karan played well. Raj and Karan both played well. This mango is large. This mango is sweet. This mango is large and sweet. The word "but" is used when there is a relation between words, phrases, or sentences contrast with one another. Sentences joined using "but" have different or opposite meanings. Example: He is rich. He is not happy. He is rich but not happy. I ran fast. I missed the train. I ran fast but missed the train. The word "or" is used in a sentence joined by or to show a choice between two or more things. Example: Peanuts may be in the house. Peanuts may be in the garden. Peanuts may be in the house or in the garden. He must do as he is told. He will be punished. He must do as he is told or he will be punished. Connector of time. Connector of time is when we combine two or more sentences that is related by the time we use. Example: My mother was happy. I got a first rank in the class. My mother was happy when I got a first rank in the class. Connector of place. Connector of place is when we use connectors wherever and where to talk about the place. Example: Wherever mother goes, the baby goes with her. The baby goes where the mother goes. Connectors of reason. Because, since, as, for are some connectors used as connectors of reason. Example: He climbed the hill because it was there. As he was poor, I helped him.